The first step to filing for divorce in Texas should be to hire an attorney, but after that is filing a petition for divorce. When you're preparing to file for divorce in Texas, there's some things that you might want to gather. Tax returns for the past 2 years, pay stubs for the past 6 months. These are documents that your attorney's probably going to want whenever you are going to file. The cost to file for divorce in Texas is going to vary by county. There's a different price for filing with kids versus no kids. And so it's really going to depend on the county. I would say about $300. You can file for divorce in Texas without a lawyer. It's called being pro se. That means that you represent yourself. Now, I wouldn't recommend it. Abraham Lincoln was quoted as saying, "A person who represents themselves has a fool for a client." And so you don't want that to be you. After a divorce petition is filed, the next step is to have the opposing party served. So that can be done with a process server coming, and they're going to find them at their residence or their place of employment. They're going to knock on the door. You've been served, and so now they have notice. Once someone has been served with divorce papers, the next step is they're going to file an answer. The answer is due at 10 a.m. the Monday following the 20th day after service. Really confusing, so it's easier just to think, okay, this is due in 20 days.